Hi buddies, welcome back. Today we have the Google Pixel 8 and we're gonna go ahead and set it up together. We can first select our language. We can set some accessibility settings like vision settings, and then to set up with our voice we can make emergency calls and we can say to get started. So click on that, and then the first thing is to set up using another device. So you can copy settings, accounts and more from another phone or tablet. To do so, you need to keep it nearby and unlocked. You can say if it's a Pixel or another Android device or an iPhone or an iPad. You can also say to skip this one. We'll do that as we do not have another device here, and it's also nice to start fresh sometimes. So we say skip, and then we can connect to a Wi-Fi. So we already choose our home Wi-Fi here. For some reason that doesn't work, so I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a hotspot with my phone now. I already tried that, so we're choosing that, getting our phone ready, checking network info, and now we can sign into our Google account. If you don't have one, you can create an account here, or well, just sign into your existing Google account. And then we need to enter our passcode. Then we say next, and for whatever reason it's in German right now, but it's just the user license agreement and stuff. So if you click on it, you will get more information, and that's hopefully in your language. And I'm gonna say I agree, or you can also say to not add this account now. Connect to mobile network. We have a separate video for that, so we're not gonna do that right now. So we say skip setting up your mobile network. If you skip this step, you won't be connected to your mobile network. You can connect later by adding a SIM in settings. Yeah, we will do that. So we say skip. We can now set a pin. We also have a separate video for that, so we say skip. Then we can say to copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts and more. If you click on next, the phone will guide you through the next steps that you need to take to, well, do so, but I'm gonna say don't copy. Google services. Tap to learn more about each service, such as how to turn it on or off later. Data will be used according to Google's privacy policy. Use basic device backup. Use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data. With the use location, be aware that if you turn that off, the allow scanning will be turned off as well. So I'm going to say more and then accept. We have then an information about limited warranty. To view your limited warranty, select the country where you bought this device. The warranty is also available at settings, about phone, limited warranty, and g.co/device warranty. We got it in Germany, and then we get more information about that here. So we say close and then just next, I guess. Continue setup. Keep going to get your device fully set up, or leave now and get a reminder to finish later. We're pretty much set up, I guess. So we say leave and get a reminder. Just a few minutes. Swipe to navigate. Learn gestures to go home, go back and switch apps. We can say to try it, and then we can go home. All right. To go back, we need to swipe in from the right. Switch between apps. Well done. Okay. All set. You're ready to start using your device now. You can go to System Navigation Settings or swipe up to go home. She'll swipe up to go home, and then we're on her home screen. So that was the initial setup of the Google Pixel 8. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.